Thunderstorm, March 14th, 2022. We are not sure if it's a severe thunderstorm warning. Sirens might not go off. Yeah. And yeah, we're outside. It's in car. Lightning. Thunderstorm. Anyway, it's a big thunderstorm. Loud thunder. This is bad. I see a tornado forming. Tornado dance. But we do have birds around here. Anyway, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. 8 miles away. Lily, would you stop? Okay, that was a pretty long one. Waterfall over there. The rain's hitting me from the porch, I think. Oh God.
Oh my God. Oh my, that's too high for me. Oh man, I can only fly 5 miles. Oh my God. Look at me.
Oh God.
Wait, I'm 6
Oh.
miles. 8.
Yeah, that is really not good at all. Oh, this is Jim Jim, and we are in a thunderstorm in Richardson, Texas, March 14th, 2022. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder, lots of tons and tons, gallons and gallons, millions of gallons, zillions of gallons. Rain! Oh my God.
Did you know that an octopus has 9 legs?
Oh, I have a joke for you. What do you call a hectopus with? What do you call a hectopus?
Alright guys, that's enough.
What do you call? What do you call a hectopus? What do you call a hectopus with? What do you call an octopus with only? What do you call a squid with only 6 legs? A hectopus. March 14th, 2022. In Richardson, Texas. It's raining so much. We're inside now. The sirens might go off. This is Jim Jim. That's Lily. And out there is a thunderstorm. Okay, bye.